guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some of the things I found at the Dollar Tree, and I thought I would just show you a close-up of everything that I found. I think that would be better and you can see a close-up, so let's get started. Okay guys, let me go ahead and show you these lip glosses that are supposed to be moisturizing. They had these 3 different shades, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you and see if it's a nice formula. So it does say it has a glossy finish, and the first one is Paradise Pink. So it's this like Barbie pink. So I really like the packaging. It's super cute. Let's see if it's a nice color. So I'll be swatching it right here for you guys. And it's pretty thick. So that's the color Paradise Pink. Now let's go with this color, which is Coral Crush. And they do have vitamin E also. Let's see what this color looks like. So it kind of does not look like the color that you see here in the packaging. It's a lot lighter, so you can compare it. Well, this one does look like the one in the packaging. Let's see Fruit Punch, which is this color here. Yeah, this one has a lot more color than the other one. Let's do, so you can compare the colors right here. So this one is Fruit Punch, Paradise Pink, Coral Crush in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on and see if they are comfortable, and I'll let you know here. I'll leave a little note letting you know if they were comfortable enough to wear them during the day, if they lasted long, if they did moisturize. So I'll leave you a little note here, but they're super cute. I really like the packaging with the gold letters. And these eye pencils that I found, they have so many different colors. These are all the ones I found. So let's go ahead and start swatching them and see if they're intense or not. Some have a shimmer finish, I think. Some have metallic finishes. So let's start with the shimmery ones, which is this one and this one. All the other ones, oh, and this one. So there's 3 shimmer that I found and 3 metallic ones. So let's start with the shimmery ones, which are these 3 colors. So let's start with this Starlight color. It's like kind of like a pink color. Oh, it's a really nice, I don't see it as a pink color, but this is in the shade Starlight. So let's try this one out right here. It's very creamy, and you can see how shimmery it is. I really like this color. So you can build it up. It's still pretty intense. So it does have this like goldeny, shimmery color. Let's try Moonwalk, which is this one right here. Let's try it out and see what the color looks like. Super nice, also very creamy. You can also build it up. I really like these. I hope they work and that they last long. And they don't, I hope they don't crease badly. You know, sometimes these pencils do crease pretty bad. So I'm just hoping they don't. So let's try this other shade, which is Sunflare. Sunflare. Let's try it right here. Ooh, Just look at those colors. This is a bronzy color. I really like this one. This is also in the shimmery ones. Look at those colors, they're so intense. I didn't think they were gonna be that creamy. So these are the 3 shimmery ones that I found, these 3 colors. So now let's try the metallic colors. I found a black one, which is, well, kind of black and grayish one, Space Cadet. This one's Rocket Man in the blue color, and the purple is Venus. So let's start with the purple one. I love wearing purple on my eyes. Let's see how intense this formula is. Let's try this one here. This is not intense at all. But I do like the color. I don't want super intense purple colors. You can see the difference between them. So I guess you can kind of build it up. It's kind of patchy after you go over it several times, but these are the colors for that one. It's still very creamy. Let's see, I think this one might be a little bit more intense. Yeah, look, super nice. I really like that color. I'm not sure if I would wear it. Maybe a fun night. Maybe 4th of July. I like the color. It's super creamy too. So this is that Rocket Man. And let's do the last one, which is this Space Cadet in the grayish black color. Let's try it out. Ooh. So this one, you can see it has some of the glitter, like silver glitter, if you can tell. And you can feel it when you use it. You can feel, it's kind of like, you can feel the glitter gliding on. So these are the colors. Let me know which one's your favorite. I really like this one, which is kind of like a champagne color. Super pretty. And the purple one. So I found this super cute 4th of July hat. I love the pattern with the hearts. If you guys see these, they have another pattern that I didn't get, but I really like this one. It's super cute, and I think it's adjustable here on the back. So if you see these, grab them, they're adorable. I also found this one, which I'll be doing a DIY with this one. I really like the combination of the colors with some blue, and it's like a corally pink color. It has this like mesh material here on the back. And I also found these super cute heart picks. I've been wanting to find these at other stores. I never thought the Dollar Tree would have these with these like super cute designs. I think they had other designs, but I only grabbed the hearts. These are perfect for kids' lunches. For some reason, kids love to eat their snacks when they have something like this. It makes it really special. I also found this super cute pineapple trinket tray. It's so cute. They have like a mermaid one. I just grabbed this one. I really love pineapples. I might just paint this like silver or rose gold color, because this doesn't really go with my decor, so I'll see what I do with it, but I loved it. They also have some really cute candles. This one has a really nice scent. This one says Amber Stone right there. You can read that, Amber Stone, and it has a rose gold top. They also have these back, which are the collapsible storage containers. They have different sizes. I found this one in a black color, black and grayish color. I really like these. These are perfect, and for $1. These are way more expensive at other stores, so I found these. I also found these. I love pineapples, so you'll see a theme going around in my videos with pineapples. But I found these, which are the hot cold eye pads. I don't know if they work, but I'll be trying them out, and it does say not to freeze. So let's open them. Let's see. I can't wait to try these cake trays. They are super nice. I love this detail here. And at the bottom, you can also see the detail, like they have this detail here, right there. I know this has a specific name, like this type of design, but I love it. It's super, super cute. You can just add those like glass stands at the bottom, like the candlesticks at the bottom, and make it super cute and fancy. I found a bunch of scrunchies. I've got these fun summer colors. This is a pack of 3, and then this one with the, I guess, iridescent color, like a rainbow purpley mermaid color. I usually don't buy like baby products from the Dollar Tree, but I found this, which is a toddler toothbrush. It says it's for 3 to 36 months. And it says perfect for teething toddlers. And I also found these. They've had these for a while. These are the metal hanging plant bracket, but I've seen a lot of people use them for shelves and other DIY projects. So I'll be coming up with something for you guys so that you can check it out. Make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on any other videos. But I'm gonna try this, see what I can make with this. And I got 2 of these. These are hard to find, so if you see them, grab them. Let me know if you guys have seen the new Crafter Square section, that all of the Dollar Trees have them. And if they do have the section, it might be a little bit small. Some have bigger sections, so make sure you go to several Dollar Trees. I found these detailing scissors. I love these. I can't wait to try these. I've been looking for some, but they're more expensive at all the other stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And I love that they're pink. I also found this super cute wall creation stickers. This is what it comes with. Here you can see the designs. I love these. These are like little cameras. You can see they're metallic. I absolutely love these. And I don't have a certain area where I like to put them like on the wall, but I think I'm gonna use them for my laptop. So I'll put them on the cover of my laptop, and I can switch them out, which I thought was super cute. I think I'm also gonna add it to my planner because I'm starting a YouTube planner book for all my videos. So if you guys want to see a video like that, I'll be happy to share with you. I also found this awesome nail polish remover in this container. I love this because you just open it up and put your cotton pad here and just push it down to get the nail polish remover. It's spill-proof pump and for natural nails. And I think this is perfect for $1. It's way more expensive at other stores. And these are perfect for the kids. I got these bath sponges in a pack of 4. My kids go through them pretty fast. I don't like to keep them a long time. I like to change these often, so look out for a pack of 4. I also found these clear cups, which I'm planning on doing a Dollar Tree DIY with them. These are mini square bowls, they're calling them, and they come in a pack of 6. I also found these Skittle freezer pops. I can't wait to try these. I've seen some of you guys haul them, so they come in a pack of 10. And yeah, I thought it would be something fun to try this summer. They have this new section that I don't know how to feel about it. It's supposed to be everything $1, but now they have a section with different prices. They have this super cute cloud LED light that I love. It was just $3, and I mean, this would be a lot more at other stores, so I don't know how to feel about the new section that's not $1, but then it's a good deal, so I really like this one. It does require batteries, 2 AA batteries. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite item in the comments down below. And I'll be doing some DIY videos, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other video, and I'll see you in my next video.